golden loop supports the demand for shelters. Welcome to my channel, Issue Theme. The golden loop supports the demand for shelters. Let's look at this topic right now. Gold prices settled around a $1,750 position as investors locked in gains after the metal rose to a more than 7-year high in previous consultations. Spot gold turned around and reached $1,724.45 according to the data per ounce, and during the previous session it jumped by 1.9% to its maximum, given the fact that it corresponds to the prices for November 2012, $1,746.50. US gold futures were trading at $1,745.80 per troy ounce on the Comex exchange. Gold strengthens profits at the top of its scale. However, there is a lot of uncertainty in the world and so much conflicting data that they really support gold, said Jeffrey Hawley, senior market analyst at Owen. There have been several instances of profit taking on gold, Hawley said, adding that stocks and gold have been pumped to these levels through the current $2 trillion of greater stimulus introduced through the U.S. Federal Reserve. Demand for gold tends to benefit from significant incentives from vital central banks, as this is not always seen as a hedge against inflation and currency depreciation. Reducing interest rates further reduces the possible cost of saving non-profitable bullion. Asian stock indexes halted near one-month highs as warnings of a deep recession dampened investor optimism that a slowdown in the spread of the coronavirus should allow agencies to reopen. At the same time, as the chief advisor on infectious diseases to U.S. President Donald Trump said that the goal may also be for the May restart of the economy to be overly positive, the Fed began to struggle with assigning a path to reopen the economy by issuing an investment backstop. The retreat from riskier assets followed a global economic fund forecast that the global financial system could also shrink by 3% in 2020 due to the coronavirus pandemic. This infection, COVID-19, which affected more than 2 million people and killed about 30,000, forced countries to close their accounts and forced the relevant banks to organize unprecedented support measures. This year, gold prices have increased by 15% and for the first time in 7 years, they have crossed the $1,700 per ounce limit. This has become a common occurrence, caused by a coronavirus that has created fears of a worldwide currency boom. This, in turn, caused buyers to rush for safe haven assets such as gold. The Fed cut interest rates to zero. By drastically reducing interest payments, which makes gold an attractive option for traders who hold various currencies. In the gold trading price range, capital inflows continued, and stocks of the world's largest gold mining ETF, SPDR Gold Trust, are currently close to the maximum since May 2013 to 1,017.59 tons. Here, in this review article, I express my personal opinion. Register for free using the links, participate in programs and receive dividends. More information about addresses on the screen.